our first topic about finding the GCF of a given numbers. The competency for this lesson is to find the common factors and the greatest common factor of two numbers using the following methods: listing, prime factorization, and continuous division under prime factorization. Our objectives at the end of this lesson, you should be able to give the common factors of a given numbers. Give the greatest common factors of given numbers. Greatest common factor is the largest factor that two or more numbers have in common. So when thinking about finding the greatest common factor or the GCF, think backwards. F, find the factors. C, circle common factors. And D, group the largest factor. But if that's too hard, simply think G as greatest or largest, C common or shared, and F as a factor. So it's important to remember in this lesson that there are two methods for finding the GCF of two or more numbers. The first method is listing, the second one is prime factorization. And in prime factorization, we use two ways to find the GCF. First, the factor tree method. The second one is the continuous division method. Let's begin. Finding the GCF, method 1 for listing. Example, find the GCF of 24 and 36. So, step 1, find the factors of its number. Second, circle the common factors of the numbers. 3, group a circle the largest factor that have in common. Step 1, find the factors. So, in 24, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24 are the factors of 24. Paano kaya nakukuha yung factors? Mag-isip ka lang ng mga numbers na kapag minultiply mo ang dalawang numbers ay ang sagot magiging 24. So those are the factors. For example, 1 times 24 equals 24. 2 times 12 equals 24. 3 times 8 equals 24. 4 times 6 equals 24. So, you have to list all the factors from lowest to highest. Sunod-sunod. So, ang lowest factor of 24 is 1 and the highest factor is 24. I-arrange nyo po yan. No? Ayan. And in 36, so these are the factors of 36. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. Ayan, naka-arrange na po siya. No? So, the factors of 36, the highest is 36. No? The lowest is 1. Now, example, 1 times 36 equals 36. 2 times 18 equals 36. 3 times 12 equals 36. 4 times 9 equals 36. And 6 times 6 equals 36. No? Isa lang ang isusulat mo kapag nagdoble yung number. Like 6 times 6, so 6 lang ang isulat mo. But you have to arrange the factors from lowest to highest, no, para maganda tingnan, no, ang pagkasunod-sunod at hindi po kayo malito. Now, let's go to step 2 after listing those factors of the given numbers. Step 2, circle common factors. So, ano ba yung mga numbers na makikita mo sa 24? Ano din yung mga factors na makikita mo sa 36? Una, 1. So, yung 24 may factor na 1, ang 36 meron din. So, i-circle mo po yon. Ano pa ang mga common factor? 2. So, merong 2 sa 24, merong din 2 sa 36. Bilugan din yan. What else? 3. Mayroong 3 sa 24, mayroon din 3 sa 36. Yes, bilugan din yan. What else? 4. Mayroon ding factor na 4 ang 24, mayroon din ang 36. So, bilugan din yan. 6. Meron din. And 12, meron din. Pero ang 8, meron sa 24, wala sa 36. Kaya hindi po siya common, no? Hindi mo po yan isasama. So, 24, mayroong number sa 24, doon sa 24, wala sa 36. So, hindi sila common. Kung ano lang ang mga common na makita mo sa taas at makikita mo rin dito sa baba. Okay? So, yan. So, after that, we have step 3. Step 3 is group the greatest common factor. So, among the factors of 24 and 36, ano po yung pinakamataas? Siyempre, hindi 1, hindi 2, hindi 3, hindi 4, hindi 6, kundi 12. Kaya nga po greatest, highest. So, among those common factors, meron po tayong greatest, no? Pinakamataas. At ang tawag po dun, yun ay GCF. Ano? Greatest common factor. So, sa lahat ng mga common factors ng 24 and 36, 12 ang pinakamataas. Therefore, the greatest or the GCF of 24 and 36, the answer is 12. Okay? So, the GCF of 24 and 36 is 12. Ayan. Now, let's try finding the GCF using listing method. Find the GCF of 12 and 24. So, step 1 again, find the factors. So, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 24. Step 2, yan, circle the common factors. So, the common factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Ayan. So, meron lang dalawang numbers sa 24 na wala sa 12. So, those are 8 and 24. Therefore, in step 3, you have to group the greatest common factor. Yan. Pagsamahin natin yung pinakamataas. So, 12, again, is the greatest in this example. Therefore, the greatest common factor of 12 and 24 is 12. Okay? That's it. Now, your turn. So, find the greatest common factor of 16 and 20. Ting, 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 ting. Okay. So, remember, find the factors first. Then, circle the common. And the last one is to group the greatest. The correct answer here is, yes, the greatest common factor of 16 and 20 is 4. Okay, so tapos na po tayo sa unang method. So pag sinabi mong method, yan yung una na paraan, no? Pwede pa tayong gumamit ng pangalawa. Okay? So the first method is listing. Second, we use prime factorization. So under prime factorization, the first prime factorization that we're going to use is the factor tree method. To find the GCF of 24 and 36, find the prime factorization of its number, like this one, 24 and 36. Magsulat ka lang ng dalawa number sa papel mo. 24 sa kaliwa, 36 sa kanan. Then mag-isip ka ng dalawang number na pwede mong i-multiply na ang sagot ay 24. At isa sa mga number na gagamitin mo ay prime number. So alam naman natin na ang prime number, ang number na kung saan dalawa lang ang factors, 1 at ang kanyang sarili. Okay? So, sa 24, ano kaya ang pwedeng prime number dyan? Yes, that is 2. 2 and 12. Okay? 2 and 12. Okay, let's continue. So, we have 2 and 12 as factors of 24. So, remember na ang 2 ay prime number. So, ang 12, hindi pa siya prime. Anong tawag sa 12? Composite. Kaya, maghanap tayo ng another 2 numbers na isa prime at ang isa pang number para magiging 12 pag minultiply. Ano yon? Yes, 2 and 6. So, 2 ay prime, 6 ay hindi pa siya prime. Composite pa rin. Kaya, we have to find another prime factors of 6. Yes. So, that is 2 and another one is 3. So, 2 is prime, 3 is already prime. So, kapag lahat po ay prime numbers na, tapos ka na. Okay? Yan. So, pupunta tayo sa 36. So, 36, yes, that is 2 times, no, it's not 2 times, that is, anyway, that is 2 times, now let's go to 36. So, that is 2 and 18. 2 and 18 is 36. Now, for 18, 2 and 9, and 3 times 3. Okay? So, the prime factors of 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And for 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And the common factors now of the prime factors of 24 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. And for 36, 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. So, multiply nyo lang po ang common prime factors of 24 and 36. Those are 2, 3, 2 times 2, and times 3 is equals to 12. Okay? The GCF is 12. So, another example is find the GCF of 12 and 24. So, same example. That is 12, 2 times 6, for 6, 2 times 3. So, the prime factors of 12 is 2 times 2 times 3. So, 24 naman, 2 times 12, 2 times 6, and 2 times 3, for 6. The 5 prime factors of 12 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Therefore, the common prime factors of 12 and 24 are 2 times 2 times 3 equals 12. The GCF is 12. Example number 3, find the GCF of 16 and 20. So, ganun pa rin ang gagawin natin. Find the factors of 16 na ang isa ay prime. So, that is 2 times 8. 8 is composite. Hanapan pa natin ang factors ng 8. 2 times 4. And 4 is 2 times 2. So, the prime factors of 16 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. For 20, you have 2 times 10. And 10 is 2 times 5. So, 5 ay prime na rin po yan. Therefore, the prime factors of 20 are 2 times 2 times 5. So, ang prime common factors of 16 and 20 are 2 times 2. So, the GCF is equal to 4. Here we go. Now, let's go to method 2B, the prime factorization using continuous division. Yes, use a ladder to find the GCF of 27 and 36. So, ang gagawin nyo lang po, baliktad na symbol ng division, no? Hagdanan lang po yan, ladder. So, isulat nyo lang po ang 27 and 36 sa loob niyan. Hanap po kayo ng prime number. na pwedeng i-divide sa 27 and 36. So the lowest prime number that we can divide 27 and 36 is 3. Okay? Ayan. So 27 divided by 3 is 9. Ilagay sa baba ng 27 ang 9. Ang 36 naman divided by 3 is 12. Ilagay sa baba ang 12. Yes. Ganon din ang kung anong ginawa sa taas, ganon din gagawin sa baba. So you have now 9 and 12. Hanap ka ulit ng another prime number na pwedeng mag-divide sa 9 and 12. So the lowest number that can divide 9 and 12 is 3. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 12 divided by 3 is 4. So mayroon pa bang pwedeng mag-divide sa 3 and 4 na prime number maliban sa 1? Yes, 1. Tandaan po natin, 1 is not prime nor composite. Ang 1 po ay special number. So kapag wala na pong prime number na makapag-divide sa 3 and 4, tapos na po tayo. So lahat po ng mga numbers sa kabila, lahat po ng mga prime numbers na ginamit natin sa pag-divide, i-multiply po natin. So we have 2 3s, no? Dalawang 3 ang nagamit natin. Kaya 3 times 3 equals 9. So the GCF of 27 and 36 is 9. Okay, tapos na tayo. So important to remember, there are two methods for finding the GCF of two or more numbers. Method 1 is the listing method. Use prime factorization for the second method, and we have two ways to find a prime factor or the GCF using prime factorization, the factor 3 method and the continuous division method. Okay. So we have guided practice problems here. Find the GCF of each set of numbers using the given methods, the listing and the prime factorization. 1. We have three numbers, 9, 12, 30. 2, 42 and 60. 3, 48 and 64. So I'll give you 1 minute to answer. Okay, so the right answer for number 1 is the GCF of 9, 12, and 30 is, yes, that's 3. For second number, 42 and 60, the GCF is 6. And for number 3, the GCF is 16. Ayan, congratulations. You're now learning very well. See you in the next module.